bestie.
Hey! What's wrong?
I can't sleep without my boyfriends anymore.
Why not?
He says I snore too much, but I don't believe him. I don't snore.
Here, use this app. It's called Mental Tracker. You'll be able to see how much you actually snore, and it will find ways to improve your sleep quality.
I used Mental Tracker last night and look.
Oh wow, you do snore quite a bit. And you have poor quality of sleep.
Hey girl!
Long time no see!
Guess what?
What?
I've managed to stop snoring and I have better quality of sleep.
No way, that's great!
But now I'm kept up by my boyfriend. He talks in his sleep, and the worst part is he doesn't believe me when I tell him.
Well, prove it to him. Get him to track it on Mental Tracker and let's see.